Hello YouTube, Chris Johnson here with Rivertown Pro Wash. We are out here in a beautiful neighborhood, and you can see behind me nice, very nice house. But you can see right here, so we got the water fed pole system going, and this is a perfect house for a water fed pole system if you do any window work. Now we're traditional window cleaners too, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, water fed pole work is nice. Here's why. So you're having to get up there and mop it and then squeegee it off. You know, there's times you can miss spots and it's a lot more work. Water fed pole, you see the water running down the pole now. I mean, we literally just clean this window and we can just rinse it off. We rinse it off. I love water fed pole. But anyway, I just wanted to make a video this morning and tell you, man, it's a blessing to be in the service industry. You get to do houses like this, and you get to serve people, and you get to be a help to them. Had a man tell me one time, and I think it's the truth, you can have anything you want in life if you help enough people get what they want. So if you're in the service industry, man, think of yourself as a help. I'm helping my customer obtain whatever it is. Air conditioning in their home, clean windows, pressure wash their house, I clean their driveway. Whatever it is you're doing, you're serving people. Have a servant's heart and you will go far in the service industry. Hey guys, Chris Johnson, we're out. Just wanted to give you a short video on water fed pole and the benefits of it. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See ya.